Have you ever wondered if a simple grain could change the world? Welcome to the marvelous world of millet, an unassuming grain with an extraordinary legacy. Dating back millennia, millet has nourished civilizations across continents, and today it holds the promise to address some of our most pressing modern problems. This tiny grain is a titan of resilience. It thrives in harsh conditions where other crops falter, making it a beacon of hope in a world grappling with climate change. But that's not all. Millet is a nutritious powerhouse, packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals, making it a key player in combating malnutrition and promoting health. Moreover, it's environmentally sustainable. Millet requires little water to grow, and its deep roots help improve soil health, making it a friend to our precious ecosystems. In essence, millet isn't just a grain. It's a symbol of resilience, health, and sustainability. Now, let's delve deeper into why millet is the superhero grain the world needs. Imagine a grain packed with proteins, fibers, and essential minerals. That's millet for you. Millet, this unassuming tiny grain, is a true nutritional powerhouse. It is brimming with a wealth of nutrients that can contribute significantly to a healthy diet. But what exactly makes millet so special? Let's dive right in. First off, millet is high in protein. Protein is the building block of our bodies, helping to build and repair tissues, create enzymes and hormones, and support a healthy immune system. If you're looking for a plant-based protein source, millet is a fantastic option. Next, let's talk about fiber. Millet is a rich source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and can even help manage weight. Additionally, a diet high in fiber has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. But the nutritional benefits of millet don't stop there. This grain is also packed with essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. Magnesium is crucial for maintaining a healthy heartbeat and bone health. Phosphorus aids in energy production and filtering out waste from the kidneys, and iron is integral for producing red blood cells and maintaining our overall energy levels. So you see, each tiny grain of millet is bursting with nutrients that contribute to our overall health and well-being. And the best part, millet is incredibly versatile and can easily be incorporated into a variety of dishes, making it a simple and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. But millet's potential extends far beyond individual health benefits. Given its nutrient-dense profile, millet has a significant role to play in combating malnutrition, particularly in regions where access to diverse foods is limited. With such a nutritional profile, millet can help combat malnutrition and promote health worldwide. In a world grappling with climate change, could millet be our secret weapon? As the climate crisis intensifies, the search for sustainable food sources has never been more crucial. Enter millet, the small but mighty grain that's been quietly thriving for thousands of years. Millet is a hardy crop. It's like the superhero of the grain world, able to withstand conditions that would make other crops wilt. Drought, you ask? No problem. Millet is incredibly drought-resistant. While other grains require bucketfuls of water to grow, millet sips sparingly, making it a perfect fit for regions experiencing water scarcity. But that's not all. Millet is also a champion when it comes to poor soil conditions. It's not picky about where it grows. It's happy to set down roots in soils that other crops might turn their noses up at. This adaptability not only ensures its survival but also promotes biodiversity. As it thrives, it improves the soil, making it more fertile and hospitable for other plants. This ability to flourish where other crops cannot makes millet a beacon of hope in our fight against climate change. It offers a sustainable solution to food security, especially in regions that are hard hit by environmental changes. But millet doesn't just survive in these tough conditions. It thrives. It produces bountiful harvests, feeding people and animals alike. It's a grain that gives more than it takes, a true warrior in the battle against climate change. So as we face an uncertain future, millet stands tall, ready to fight the climate crisis with us. It's more than just a grain. It's a climate warrior, a lifesaver, a beacon of hope. And the best part, it's already here, growing in fields across the world, ready to make a difference. Millet's resilience to harsh conditions makes it a sustainable solution to food security amidst climate change. As we navigate the challenges of our changing climate, we can take comfort in knowing that millet, our climate warrior, is on our side. Beyond health and environment, can millet also boost economies? It's time to delve into the economic benefits of this grain. Millet, this humble grain, has the potential to stimulate local economies in a significant way. Picture a world where millet cultivation becomes a predominant agricultural activity. It's not just about farming, it's about creating a vibrant economic ecosystem where everyone benefits. Imagine a small farming community. Farmers would find new opportunities in millet cultivation. It's a hardy crop, resilient to climate variations, and requires fewer inputs than many other grains. This means lower costs for farmers and higher potential for profit. Furthermore, millet's versatility in the kitchen can spur a whole new wave of culinary innovation. From basic breads and porridges to gourmet dishes and craft beers, the possibilities are endless. This could lead to a boom in the local food industry, with new businesses popping up to meet the demand for millet-based products. But the economic impact of millet doesn't stop at the local level. On a national scale, promoting millet cultivation could reduce dependence on imported grains. Think about it. Every year, countries spend billions importing grains that could be grown locally. By switching to millet, we could keep that money circulating within our own economies, promoting growth and self-sufficiency. Promoting millet isn't just about creating jobs or boosting industry. It's about building sustainable economies that are resilient in the face of climate change. It's about taking control of our food systems and making them work for us, not against us. By supporting millet production, we can stimulate local economies and promote self-sufficiency. The potential of millet extends beyond the dinner plate. It's an economic savior, a ticket to a more sustainable and prosperous future. So, how does this all translate to a global scale? Imagine a world where we're not just surviving, but thriving, where the food we consume nourishes us, and the way we produce it regenerates the planet. This is not just a utopian dream, but a tangible reality that could be achieved by integrating millet into our diets and farming systems. The humble millet, with its remarkable resilience and nutritional profile, has the potential to address several of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, making it a true global game changer. For starters, let's consider the goal of zero hunger. Millet's high yield, even in challenging conditions, could be the key to feeding a growing world population, especially in regions where food security is a pressing concern. Next, there's the goal of good health and well-being. With its impressive nutritional credentials, rich in fiber, proteins, and essential minerals, millet can play a significant role in combating malnutrition and diet-related diseases. It's a wholesome grain that could help us transition from empty calories to nutrient-dense foods, fostering overall well-being. And let's not forget climate action. As a hardy crop that requires minimal inputs, millet is a champion of sustainable agriculture. It can grow in arid and semi-arid regions, withstand high temperatures, and recover from drought conditions, making it an ally in our fight against climate change. But the global impact of millet extends beyond these goals. By promoting millet cultivation, we could also boost rural economies, enhance biodiversity, and foster gender equality. In many parts of the world, millet farming is traditionally women's work. Recognizing and supporting this could empower women, promoting gender equality and reducing poverty. Embracing millet could be a step towards a healthier, sustainable, and equitable world. This mighty grain has the potential to transform our food systems, our health, and our planet. So let's champion millet, for our sake and for future generations. The future with millet looks promising, doesn't it? This humble grain, often overlooked, is set to make a grand entrance onto the world stage. We've journeyed through the magic of millet, its nutritional prowess, its role as a climate warrior, and its potential as an economic savior. We've seen its global impact. And now, we turn our gaze forward. Imagine a world where our diets are enriched with the nutrients of millet, where our farmers thrive on its cultivation, and our environment breathes easier due to its low carbon footprint. Picture a future where food security is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality. This is the potential held within each grain of millet. As we move forward, let's consider how we can each play a part. Perhaps it's as simple as incorporating this powerhouse grain into our meals, or lending our support to those who farm it. Every grain matters, every choice counts. Who knew a humble grain like millet could hold the potential to change the world? Now you do. Stay healthy.